Is there a secret internet? You can turn back now, or learn the stuff they don't want you to know. Here are the facts. As of July 29, 2013, the indexed internet contained at least 3.93 billion pages. In light of continuing government efforts to trace all online activity, many web users have looked for ways to shield their activity from the digital powers that be. Of course, the debate over privacy and security has a wealth of angles. For example, efforts to trace all online activity are often proposed as a way to prevent crime, even if this proposal doesn't convince the public. Are monitoring efforts by the NSA and similar agencies really preventing crime by tracking activity across the surface of the internet? Where would criminals go to avoid detection online? Is there a secret internet, a place to be truly anonymous, something under the surface of the web? Here's where it gets crazy. Enter the deep web, also called the dark net or similar names. The definition can be a bit vague. Think of the mainstream internet, the stuff you can find via Google, Bing, or other search engines, as the visible part of an iceberg floating in a digital ocean. The deep web, in a way, is the rest of the ice underwater. It's not indexed by search engines, relies on anonymity, and functions on the fringes of online society. Users diving into this part of the net can arrange drug trades, arms deals, hire a hitman, and access information that might otherwise be hidden from the public eye. That's at least the most dramatic description. The deep web isn't all crime, depravity, and mayhem. It's also a source of information that just may not be of interest to the general public, such as outdated corporate archives or personal records. Additionally, hiding information from a search engine is not rare. Many sites hide some sort of data. It is, however, true that sites on the deep web can function like a virtual black market, selling everything up to and including, apparently, assassination. And it's true that there's a wealth of misinformation, trolling, and scamming in this part of the online world, just like in the surface net. While it may be almost impossible to remain anonymous online, it's true that there are still places on the internet chock full of stuff the mainstream doesn't want you to know.
Every one of you has a personal duty not to finance wartime racketeering. And if you see the law being broken, report it to your ration board. Your government must have your help to win the battle against black market.